Just finished installing rear parking sensors to this brand spanking new Seat Ibiza. We had the paint code of the parking sensors so that we could get them painted in advance so that they're a perfect match. This is a new colour from Seat, so it's a slightly different shade of grey than some of their other models. I'll take you inside and show you how it works. As I say, only 14 miles in this car so far. Plastics and all still on it. Stick it into reverse. Hear the boot to let you know it's on. And then we'll take it back. Until the beep gets continuous, and then it's time to stop. Take you and show you how close that got us to the wall. Bit of room to spare there, but enough to get you parked into a space. If that's something you would want, get in touch, give us a shout. Thanks for watching.